body's meant to be healthy. So if it's meant to be healthy and it's not, what's causing it not to be healthy? And that's where we start what we call our chiropractic CSI. We're going to crime scene investigate what's going on. There's a problem here. It shouldn't be here. Why is it here? What's going on? What are the mechanisms behind what's actually causing this problem? When we can find that and remove it, so now we know, okay, this is what's driving this problem. Whether it's mechanical low back pain that somebody's having, so there's an underlying skeletal dysfunction that's creating this pain, because the pain is just a symptom. So we want to CSI, we crime scene investigate. We know who some of the suspects are. So we've got a list of suspects. We're going to go down the list and see who's causing this. Or is it somebody with a migraine headache? Why are they getting these headaches all the time? What's going on? What are the mechanisms behind it? Understanding that and seeing if we can't identify what's driving this. And then once we do that, setting an action plan that's going to take care of it. The action plan normally is just, you're correcting function where there was dysfunction. Now, once that function is correct, you let the body do what it needs to do. A great chiropractor once said, find it, fix it, leave it alone. So the idea isn't to always have to need intervention from a specialist, as far as from a doctor, from the chiropractor. The idea is that we need to find it, fix it, and then leave it alone. The body knows what to do. Once it's working, let it do what it needs to do.